Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Oral-B app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Oral-B is a dental care app developed to complement Oral-B electric toothbrushes. It offers features like real-time brushing guidance, personalized oral care routines, progress tracking, reminders for brushing and flossing, and oral health insights. The app also allows users to set goals, track habits over time, and access tips for improving dental hygiene. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Users appreciate the app's interactive brushing guidance and gamified tracking, which helps maintain consistent oral care habits. The progress tracking charts are useful for seeing improvements over time, and reminders ensure users don't skip their daily routine. Many also like the app's ability to sync with Oral-B devices for real-time feedback and personalized coaching. Still, the app has some downsides. It works best with compatible Oral-B devices, so users without one may find features limited. Some users report occasional connectivity issues or syncing delays with the toothbrush. Additionally, while the app offers helpful insights, it may feel basic for users seeking more advanced dental analytics. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Oral-B app may be worth using if you own an Oral-B electric toothbrush and want a guided, interactive way to improve your oral care routine. It shines in tracking, reminders, and personalized guidance. However, if you don't have a compatible device or prefer manual tracking, some features may not be fully useful. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.